So the knife skill of chiffonade. So chiffonade is a fine slice, and I use it mainly on herbs, but I'm going to show you on a piece of spinach, or a few pieces of spinach. So I've got my spinach. Okay, so I'm using my chef's knife again. So I've got the spinach, I've laid it up. So this could be flat leaf parsley, coriander, basil, so on. Do it exactly the same way. So you've got the, laid it up, picked it, laid it up, and then we're just going to roll it into a shape, into like a cylinder shape. And then we're going to cut very finely, using the knife down in a rocking motion to get that nice, really fine chiffonade of spinach. See that? Yeah, cool. Using my finger, I'm running the knife down my finger, or down my knuckle, to guide the knife. There we go. So that's the chiffonade. I'm using that on herbs such as basil, flat leaf parsley, coriander. You get a really nice fine slice of ingredient. So that's chef's knife skill chiffonade.